A warm welcome to all. KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science, K. Divya Bharati, Department BCom CS. Functions of management. In this functions of management, I am going to talk about their meaning, stages, types. Functions of management: planning, organizing, staffing, directing, coordinating, controlling. Planning. Planning is a primary function of management. Planning is deciding in advance what should be done in future. It helps to work in a systematic manner. It determines the priority of a business and tell what should be done first, what next, and so on. Stages. Analyzing the environment determines the business objectives, selecting the course of action for achieving objectives. In planning, plans are having two types: single use plan, repeated use plan. Single use plan. A single use plan is meant to solve one particular problem and then be discarded. The single use plan becomes absolute after its intended and specific use. Example: program and budget. Repeated use plan. Repeated use plan are also called standing plan. It is the plan used repeated in the organization. Example: methods, rules, etc. Organizing. Organizing is the establishment of effective authority relationship among selected work person and workplace in order for the group to work together efficiently. Combines the necessary sources to achieve the organization goals. Stages. Identification and division of work. The organizing function begins with the division of total work into smaller units. Superior can assign duties to the subordinate. Subordinates must be accountable to the superior. Staffing. Staffing refers to the continuous process of finding, selecting, evaluating, and developing a working relationship with current or future employees. Choosing the right person for the right job for the right manner. Stages. Recruitment and selection of employees. To train the employee, performance appraisal, employees transfer, demotion, promotion, and termination. Staffing process helps to improve organizational productivity. Directing. Directing refers to a process or technique of instructing, guiding, inspiring, counseling, overseeing, and leading people towards the accomplishment of organizational goals. It is a continuous manageable process that goes on throughout the life of the organization. Stages. Manager has to supervise the work done by the employees. Manager has to issue orders and instruction for workers. Proper communication between the manager and employee. Coordinating. The activities performed by the various departments are combined together to attain the overall business objective. Coordination implies synchronization of various efforts of different departments to reduce conflict. Controlling. Controlling can be defined as that function of management which helps to seek planned result from the subordinates, managers, and at all level of an organization. If the plan is implemented, whether the plan is achieved or not. Stages. Determining the standard performance of the subordinates, finding actual performance of the subordinates, making the comparison between the actual performance and standard performance, find out deviation and taking corrective action. Thank you.